You are going to love the 2021 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, door courtesy lights, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.